So you and your spouse have minor kids and you've named your wealthy friends and family to be the guardians of your kids just in case if both of you were to die. And while you think you did your kids a favor, you just made a big estate planning mistake. Let's talk about why. Hey guys, Elliott Feldman here, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. If you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can schedule a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. Okay, let's talk about why parents picking guardians of their kids based on how rich the prospective guardians are is a big mistake. Look, I hear this every now and then in planning sessions with prospective clients, and we're discussing who mom and dad would want to be the guardians of their minor kids and raise their kids if both of them were to die. Now, sometimes mom and dad get too caught up in how much money the prospective guardians have rather than making their choice based on more important factors like the guardian's values, relationship with the kids, their age, or where the guardians live, etc. Usually what mom and dad tell me is, well, Elliot, just in case my spouse and I were to die and be survived by our minor kids, I would want to name my uncle and his wife as guardians because they are really rich. I mean, my uncle has run a great business for many years. He's the most financially successful member of our family, so I know my kids would be well taken care of by him. Or sometimes I'll hear, mom and dad, they'll say, well, Elliot, we don't know anyone who could afford to be the guardians of our kids. I mean, all of our family and friends, they have their own bills and financial responsibilities, so they never could afford to take on the added expense of raising our children too. And that's when I say, hey, I understand your concern, but your children's living expenses are not your guardian's responsibility. It's your responsibility. And if you don't have enough money to make sure that your kids will be well taken care of in the lifestyle that you want, then it's up to you to either save more money while you are alive or get life insurance. Now, do you want the life insurance going to the guardian directly? Probably not. In fact, I recommend that you have one person taking care of the money and a different person taking care of the kids because now you have a check and balance system in place. And ideally, those two people know each other, they trust each other, get along well with each other, and will be working together in the best interest of your children. Also, there are two big reasons why you either want to save enough money or have life insurance to make sure your guardians have enough money to raise the kids in the lifestyle that you want. The first reason is, let's say the rich uncle went bankrupt and a month later mom and dad die without savings or life insurance. Now the uncle finds out he has been named guardian of the kids in mom and dad's will, and they left him with no savings or life insurance to help him raise their children. The uncle can choose to not accept his guardianship role and petition the court to choose another person to be guardian of mom and dad's kids. That could lead to another family member coming along and coming forward to the court whom the parents would never want raising the kids, petitioning the court to be the replacement guardian. But if no one comes forward, the court could be forced to name foster care as the guardian. Now your kids are being raised by strangers. Another big reason why you need to have savings or life insurance ultimately to help name guardians financially is in the scenario where even though uncle went bankrupt and has no money to raise mom and dad's kids, the uncle still decides to accept his role as guardian. Another family member comes forward whom you would never want raising your kids, and they petition the court to become guardian due to the fact of the uncle's lack of finances, and a judge could very well take away the uncle's guardianship and give it to the other family member. So in summary, your children's living expenses are not your guardian's responsibility, it's your responsibility. And if you don't have enough money to make sure that your kids will be well taken care of in the lifestyle that you want, then it's up to you to either save more money while you are alive or get life insurance. That's why parents picking guardians of their minor kids based on how rich the prospective guardians are is a big, big mistake. Now, if you're a parent who wants to learn how to choose guardians for your minor kids the right way, please check out my video, How Parents Can Choose the Right Guardians for Their Minor Kids in 4 Easy Steps. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell next to it to be notified for new videos I post each week. And if you like it, then please hit the like button. And if you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can schedule a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. That's myestatemeeting.com. Again, This is Elliott Feldman, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. Take care.